So Adrian, we're here at the new Tung Auditorium, the Yoko Ono Lennon Centre.
Yeah.
So
Looks
tell us
fabulous.
about what you think about the musical performances being in here and how important that is as part of the programme.
Well, music was very important to Beckett. So, you know, that's why we've included two pieces of his two favourite composers, Beethoven and Schubert. And we also have work by Morton Feldman, Words and Music, which is a really interesting piece and very rarely done. So to be able to do it here in this brand new auditorium, it's a bit of a coup for us, I suppose, in many ways. So I'm very excited about being in there with the audience on that first night. It's going to be great.